Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get verified from Meta on Instagram or maybe on Facebook. So let's jump right into it. So currently I'm logged into my Instagram here, and if I go to settings and then account center, you can see right here I don't have any option to get verified from Meta because this option is only available in some countries. That's why I don't have any kind of option like that, and I can get verified now because it is a beta version and currently it's a testing version. That's why Instagram launched this in some of the regions, but don't worry, in the upcoming updates of Instagram, like in a couple of weeks or maybe months, this option will be available to all of the devices, and then you can easily access that from there. And if you want to get this blue tick very quick, then you can go to this. Now I've added a link in the description, so you have to go over there, and here you can see about Meta Technologies Meta Verified. So you have to move there, and you have to fill this. You have to fill out this form. Now this form will basically put you on a waiting list, and whenever the Meta Verified will be launched, Instagram will send a reminder to your email address, and then you can easily verify from there. Now in the list, I just want to discuss about the price. You can get this blue tick, or we can say you can get verified from Meta by just $14.99. So make sure to keep that in mind. So this is all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.